Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for the time and opportunity that given for me. Today, I would like to present my presentation. The title is Role of Women for Economic Resilience. When COVID-19 pandemic happened, many companies bankrupt, small and medium business decreased, many people were fired, various economic aspect declines. There are many orphan children that their fathers dead because of COVID-19 or comorbid. Muslimat NU is the largest religious community organization in Indonesia. They have hundreds of millions of members with exploration and observation to get useful insight for further development and also scale up for other communities. This paper would like to explore about the role of women for economic resilience. You study this with 59 papers related to economic resilience pada Muslimat NU, also observation to the phenomenon, and the women who were struggle to resilience in this period. This study used qualitative study method with data analysis, with 4 stages: data collection, data reduction, data presentation, and also drawing comparison and verification. The study used ECD concept about the resilience theory. So it applied in this study as like this web framework. We have asset, network and relationship. There are risk and protective factors, adjustment, marketing strategy, adversity, small business development center. In the leadership, we know Muslimat NU organization have central management on national scale. They have branches on province, regional, district, cities, villages, even the hamlets. The board consists of a supervision from members of DPR, academici, business partners, education expert, head expert, custodians of Islamic boarding school. Some of them are punyai, personal leaders who gain legitimacy in society. Under committee board, there are various characters and profession and diversity roles that complement each other. The analysis, catalyst, boundary, spanner, visionary, educator. On security and religious aspect, they make recitation, religious event, pengajian, dan majelis taklim, had weekly, monthly, for the conversation between God, human beings, and the environment, so they feel achievement in life. And also families relationship with community. From the culture, they grow of Islamia, maintaining principle, care and share with others, helping each other sincerely, understanding in polite manner, providing interesting material using an educational approach, have spirit to the awareness, inhibiting factors, limited scope of women's movement, lack of adequate facilities. From their preparedness, they have decades of experience since its establishment in 1946, has been tested through many challenges and obstacles. They overcome various crises and managed to get through them well, so this is capital for self-confidence. On the network and relations aspect, there are internal and external connection in local and regional business. Some women in this organization have family business running, whatever they try to keep it, whatever the circumstance. Also, they have building thematic villages that have a role for influence in increasing family income. On emergency management, sometimes they would make the coin box funds or program for assistance for urban education costs and hold social activities such as recitation. For funding assistance, they lend capital without interest from family or neighbors, have sympathy and empathy, sometimes obtain from government, financial assistance from Islamic and conventional bank, better the intervention of Sharia management principle, the better the consumer perception of the syariah banking and funding institution. They have small business development centers such as education institutions, pesantren, madrasah, sekolah dunia, sanawiyah, aliyah, even kindergarten in early childhood school. It also become development center for this woman. Not only for human development education, but it also extend become small business development center. For the local regional and state government, they encourage food desk to form business based on the potential of local food ingredient. They also use online media to market their products. For support service, the community assistance from universities and NGOs, such as recycling waste into other craft and various other products. They also have concrete planning, preaching the first of budget through various activities, partner and joint activities, with intimacy between members. Innovating program allows members to be actively involved in other communities, generate market and membership respond to all community activities. In mitigation project support, they identify asset in the form of human, natural, social, develop asset by maximizing local potential, developing stock of asset, engaging small business enterprise as business partner, set up business by providing capital and establish business by murabah and musyarakah contracts. For transit support, there is simultaneous coordination between stakeholders, support of asset, potential of religious and community leaders, openness in accepting clarification, invest of person, leadership style, support of village official. In agency research territories, they take advantage of abundant natural assets, asset owned by the various community, assistant cooperation and collaboration with various parties determine sales price innovation including in product marketing. Place and space, some of them only put in some village without or with small rent fee. We're connected with other, easy to find because available online also. Participate in various empowerment activities both in social and religious fields. Education, family planning, counseling, training, taklim, house training, etc. They are also able to meet business needs, campaign for healthy creation, for men, smart mother group forum, for young mothers, share experience about caring for children, conduct campaign for pastoral. They also make momentum by providing service before crisis, increase promotion, increase knowledge for mothers, increase the professionalism, understanding of and citizen in the field, the grassroots, community partners in banking problem, help increase business and capital income. They also being able to after crisis guidance of the management PMT, improve service and development, guidance to the community inform awareness of the important establishing PMT toward the community. They stay open with counseling to healthy protocols from economic service, education, adult learning, and family. Fostering Sakinah families issued by LKKNU, improving quality environment, reducing poverty, welfare of families, and communities Sakinah family. For reduce economic impact, they carry out with religious and social activities of the community, Tadarus Quran, Zanjis, Jasinan, Tahlil, as the for mental health, workshop vehicle development and entrepreneurship. They also have strategy, identify coordinating organization, Syariah cooperative and other financial institutions used asset-based community development mentoring approach. Oleh perspective, etap force into inclusive religious movement education entity, transformation social movement for ummah and national, for collect resource, and care analysis new community economic development program developing funds to cross and small business sector. They make more productive zakat management still need to be prioritized in the future. For marketing strategy, they assess partner reach and reputation. So integrate social science into the same marketing process. Understand the interaction between dynamic of business management. For market for support service, community empowerment system is for digitalizing and overcome the problem of influential digitalized market in surrounding. For good relationship, they make good relationship with the most of their pillars, most government and government as income resource. For craft research, they pay attention, coaching content, focus promotion service, talent research. Mapping potential education of social and smart partner and target at the planning stage with sufficient support. For splitting the word, outreach across a range of media and person, leverage pre-existing even to let people know the service and product, harness partner that got to widen the scope of outreach, fostering religious character education by tahlil istilah yasinan, character of social care with activities and allocation fund, what are often covered with Muslimat, but official with their activities, boarding school institutions whose practice are often used for activities that Muslimat and private advocates of. In medication project assistant, empowerment by the chairman of NU had not directly touched the community done to bottom competition between branch organizations in regional or national event make them be intricate and improve. They have also interagency connection make them even stronger. For partnership report, many parties want to work together because these organizations have good image. For simple and easy company planning, they continue farming, plantation, breeding, fishery, agriculture, and routine tradition as support the economic activity. Also, there are cross-cutting support, energy support, infrastructure, intellectual property rights by body printing protection that offer cheaper prices with a larger production scale. Of system diversification and redundancy, they evaluate the financial. They also have contract at some PMTN brands for expedited permitting. Some private NO and PTNO trader are also part of policymakers in the government agencies. Make it easy for organizations to get access to information, audience with upline convention, cooperation policies, expert permitting support funding. In business impact assessment, the better knowledge and ability of women in managing zakat, the more and women will be needed. In dissemination of accurate information, there is also guidance to support the pilot program. They carry out differing export in example waste management. For resource directories, they have administrator and professionally coordinate waste manager and city and district manager until village handled. Even the organization rigid with ADRT, but in practice, they are very flexible and adaptive. For the grant application assistant, they have development of saving and launch business, also potential to manage development of a medium small business unit. In conclusion, various roles and complement each other, cooperate but solution for community save on expense of development have initiation innovate utilize local material provide added value contribute to learn strive to further develop themselves community and the make the planning together stronger exchange knowledge info market network promote by each other women economic participation financial equation and labor force contribution have a direct influence on socioeconomic outcome, prosperity, and growth and resilience of the nation. For recommendation, participation of the government, management of society, and government, syariah government, syariah financial service cooperatives, Betuma can make some support for this woman organization. Thank you.